Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear cache and data on tagged application. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, press and hold your tagged application. Tap on Info icon. Tap on Force Stop on the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on OK to confirm. Now scroll down. Tap on Storage option. Tap on Clear Cache on the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on Clear Data on bottom left corner of your screen. Tap Delete to clear cache and data on tagged application. So that is how you can easily clear cache and data on tagged application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.